Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Angry Birds case is probably one of the most iconic and beloved mobile game franchises to ever grace our screens, and now, this legendary IP has been transformed into a physical product that aims to protect your valuable devices with a touch of avian flair and explosive fun, making it a must-have for any true fan looking to add some personality and robust defense to their everyday tech. Number 5. MoKo Silicone Protective Case for Nintendo Switch Lite, Turquoise. This case is specially designed for your Nintendo Switch Lite. It offers a perfect fit for your console, enhancing your gaming experience. Crafted from high-quality silicone, it provides a comfortable and non-slip grip. You can hold it for hours without fatigue. Protect your device from everyday drops, shocks, and scratches. This soft silicone case keeps your Switch Lite safe and sound. Putting on or taking off this cover is a breeze. Its flexible silicone material makes installation quick and easy. Enjoy seamless gameplay with precise cutouts. All buttons, ports, and features remain easily accessible without removing the case. What we like. This silicone case offers premium protection for your Nintendo Switch Lite. It's designed to guard against shocks, drops, and scratches, ensuring your device stays safe. If you're looking for a durable and comfortable grip that also provides robust protection, this is the choice for you. What people say. Nintendo Switch Lite case that is easy to put on, provides a good grip, and protects the device. Easy to put on my Switch, the case grips it nicely and has protected it from all kinds of bumps and dings. The color blends well so it doesn't stand out too much, and it's overall pretty lightweight and durable. It does its job well. The silicone material feels pleasant, is non-slip and offers reliable protection against bumps and scratches. The case does not impair the operation of the console and can be easily attached and removed. The design also looks high quality and modern. Number 4. LEGO Angry Birds Pig City Teardown 75824. Get ready for an epic showdown with the LEGO Angry Birds Pig City Teardown set. This exciting playset brings the fun of the movie right to your fingertips. It's packed with action-packed features like a zip line, a hot dog stand, and a house with a collapsing boulder. You can recreate all your favorite movie scenes. This set comes with 4 iconic figures, Red, Stella, and 2 mischievous piggies. You'll have all the characters you need for a thrilling adventure. The Pig City measures over 8 inches high, 9 inches wide, and 6 inches deep, offering plenty of space for imaginative play. It's detailed to look just like the movie. It includes a catapult, an umbrella, eggs, TNT, balloons, a hot dog stand, and much more. These accessories add even more excitement to your play. With target zones like the boulder, zip-lining pig, and TNT function, the fun never stops. You can launch the birds and take down the pigs in so many ways. What we like. This playset brings the fun of Angry Birds to life with interactive elements like a zip line and falling boulder. It includes multiple figures for engaging play scenarios. If you enjoy creative building and imaginative play with beloved characters, this set is perfect for you. What people say. We love the catapult and the bird minifigures are great too. This is a great set to do as is or to use your imagination creating things for the birds to fly into. Easily pairs with other LEGO kits to create even bigger bolder things to destroy with the Angry Birds. There were so many little places that could move and do different things. Have multiple moving parts and pieces really help expand their imagination and create. Number 3. Angry Birds Collage Official T-shirt. Unleash your inner fan with this official Angry Birds Collage t-shirt. It's the perfect way to showcase your love for the iconic game. This is an officially licensed piece of Angry Birds merchandise, ensuring you get authentic quality and design. Featuring a vibrant collage of your favorite characters, this shirt is a standout addition to any fan's collection. Designed for both comfort and style, it's perfect for everyday wear or for showing off at your next gaming event. Available in a small size, it offers a great fit for those who love the Angry Birds universe. What we like. Show off your love for Angry Birds with this official merchandise t-shirt. It features a vibrant collage design and offers a comfortable fit for everyday wear. If you're a fan looking for a stylish way to express your fandom, this t-shirt is a great addition to your wardrobe. What people say. The shirt is good quality and true to size. This shirt fit as expected and held up well to multiple washings. The design was adorable and my Angry Bird fan loved it. Lots of compliments. It has been washed once and it's still retaining the form and sticker. Number 2. Angry Birds Red Official PopSockets Grip. Show your love for Angry Birds with this official merchandise. It's the perfect gift for any true fan of the game. This playful and colorful accessory adds a fun touch to your device. It's designed to be both a grip and a stand, making it super convenient. Simply peel and stick the adhesive backing to your phone case or device. For best results, use it with smooth, hard, plastic cases. Want a new look? The printed top is easily swappable. Just press flat, twist 90 degrees until you hear a click, and remove to change it. Please note that it will not stick to silicone, leather, waterproof, or highly textured cases. It is also not compatible with wireless charging. What we like. This PopSockets grip provides a secure hold and convenient stand for your phone or tablet. It features playful Angry Birds branding and a swappable top for customization. If you want a functional accessory that also showcases your fandom and allows for personalization, this is an excellent option. What people say. The case is made of durable material and offers good protection. The design is cute and the characters are well printed. It fits the phone perfectly and all the buttons are easily accessible. Number 1. Angry Birds Pig Official PopSockets Grip. Show your love for Angry Birds with this officially licensed PopSockets grip. It's the perfect gift for any true fan of the game. Customize your look by easily swapping the top for a new design or removing it entirely. This allows for convenient wireless charging capabilities. Prop it up to watch videos, take group photos, or make hands-free calls. It's your ultimate stand for all your mobile needs. The advanced adhesive sticks securely to most devices and cases. You can also remove and reposition it as needed. For the best experience, it works best on smooth, hard plastic cases. Please note it may not adhere to highly textured or silicone surfaces. What we like. Enhance your mobile experience with this official Angry Birds PopSockets grip. It offers a secure hold, a hands-free viewing stand, and a swappable top that is compatible with wireless charging. If you need a versatile accessory that supports your viewing habits and allows for wireless charging, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The case is very durable and protects the phone well. The design is cute and the characters are recognizable. It's easy to put on and take off the phone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.